Welcome to another video, and we are going to review another oud oil. I know there are a lot of channels about perfumes, but oud oil reviews are very less for at least beginners. So I'm going to try to simplify as much as I can. I'm not going to make it a very long video. So the oud today is Pontiniak from Imperial Oud. Imperial Oud has been dissolved. The company is gone, but this is the last gem, one of the last gems I have. I just have left, I think, 1 or 2 bottles of it. They sold like crazy. This is Pontiniak. Let me show you the bottle. So this is the bottle of Pontiniak Oud oil from Imperial Oud. Let me just, yes, okay. So here you can see the title. It's distilled in 2020, and it was 2.5 gram. That is my on bottle. And if you like smoky kind of smells or smoky oud oils, now if you are new to artisanal oud oils, they are not your regular oud oils or your skanky oud oils. They are very, and they have unique scent profiles. Each oud oil is different. They are from different regions, different trees, different atmosphere around them. So totally different scent profile. It is not the Cambodian oud you buy from the market. So going about Pontiniak. Pontiniak is a smoky sweet oud oil, and I am going to share with you, this is its basic category. Now I am going to share with you how much smoke there is, because some of the people, they don't enjoy a lot of smoke, because some oud oils, they are like too much smoke, like you are sitting very close or your nose is very close to the coal burning. So if you burn oud wood very quickly, the smell you get of the burn of the wood is actually the smoke I am talking about. This one is little bit of spicy, little bit of smoky, heavy, damp, wet, a little bit of dryness, because I don't think that this is a good oud oil for summers. So if your summers are very hot, I think this is not a good choice. But if you live in a city or in an area where temperature is below 20 degrees Celsius, or maybe 25 degrees Celsius, this is the best thing. It is very long lasting. It is going to stay like 8 to 10 hours or maybe more on your skin. It just keeps on radiating, and I really enjoyed its quality, that it projects a lot, and it actually its longevity is very good. It is going to go for many hours. So let me share with you the smell profile. Okay, so herbal, it is like you are in a herbal shop where you are trying to shop some spices and some herbs. So it is this kind of smell profile. Herbal, sweet, chocolatey. So the main thing over here is, if I describe it in just few words, it's chocolate nature. So it's just like you have mixed dark chocolate with some smoky spices and some herbal mint, damp kind of herbs that are like semi-dry leaves, not green, not yellow. So this is the vibe we get from it: smoky chocolate with some herbal touches. So this is one of the best oils, very powerful, very potent, and if you just put 2 swipes on your arms, they are going to go like 8 hours at least. So this is the review about Pontiniak from Imperial Oud. If you have this oil, I have seen a lot of great reviews from a lot of people about Pontiniak, and a lot of people love it, because in Europe or in UK or in USA, the temperature is not too hot like over here in Middle East or Asia. So a lot of people who have bought this, they really enjoy this. It is a great scent or great oud oil for winters. So I hope you have enjoyed this review about Pontiniak oil from Imperial Oud. I think its value is almost around $200 to $300 a bottle. Almost, I think it is around that, around 250 or something like that for 2.5 gram. I hope you have enjoyed this value. I have 2 bottles I think left, maybe one left of this one in my stock in United States, USA. It's in New York. If you want to buy, you can go to my page Oudwala. The link is in the description below. I just have 2 oils right now from Imperial Oud that are in my stock in United States right now. I think they will come back to me soon enough. So if you want to order, you can order them quickly over here. So that is my review about Pontiniak. I don't want to really sell it to you, but this is a great oil. So I will meet you soon in another video. Till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. We will meet soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.